In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name of store on Shopify. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your updated name appears across your Shopify admin and customer-facing areas that use it. First, open the Shopify website and sign into your admin. You'll land on your dashboard, which is the control center for everything in your store. From here, look for the Settings option, typically found at the bottom of the left-hand menu. Give that a click to open your store's settings. Inside Settings, you'll be on the General section. This is where Shopify keeps key details about your store. You'll see a field labeled Store Name. Next to it, there's a small pencil icon. Click the pencil to make the field editable. This is the place where you enter your new store name. Type in your new name carefully. Keep it clear, concise, and consistent with your branding. A strong store name is memorable and easy to read, so avoid unnecessary punctuation or extra characters. It's also a good idea to match this name with your logo and any marketing you're already using for a cohesive look and feel. Before you save, a quick note on what this change does and doesn't affect. Updating your store name changes how your store is labeled in the Shopify admin and can appear in places like checkout and order notifications, depending on your theme and settings. It does not change your store's web address or domain. If your domain includes the old name, that's managed separately, so don't worry if the URL stays the same after this update. Once you're happy with the new name, click Save. Shopify will confirm the change, and you should see the new name reflected in your admin shortly. If it doesn't appear right away, a quick page refresh usually does the trick. Take a moment to double-check the spelling. Typos here can trickle into emails or customer communications tied to your store name. A couple of tips as you wrap up. If you're coordinating a rebrand, update your logo, theme header, and any automated email templates so everything matches the new name. Keep your name simple and consistent across social profiles and marketing channels for a polished professional presence. And remember, you can always revisit this setting later if you need another adjustment. That's it. Open Shopify, go to Settings, under General click the pencil next to your store name, type the new name, and save. Thanks for watching and happy selling.